Okay, what is an inequality? Well, basically, it's when a variable or formula is greater than or equal to a particular value. Or less than, sorry, I should say. So if we say that x is greater than 2, not equal to it, then it is a inequality. If we say it's greater than or equal to, it's an inequality. If we say it's less than something, it's an inequality. If we say it's less than or equal to, it's an inequality. So a variable is when, so an inequality is when a variable or a formula is greater than or less than a particular value. We're in inequalities, we have got different signs that we use. So the top one here is saying that A is less than B. So the side where the A is less than B. And there's an easy way to remember this. Wherever the narrower side is, the points have come together here, it's that side is less than the other one. So the next one then is the opposite. So A is greater than B in this one. Our next one with this line underneath means less than or equal to. So if it just simply said A is equal to B, it's not an inequality, but we can have less than or equal to. And then the last one is A is greater than or equal to B. So fairly straightforward there. Fortunately, inequalities are fairly easy to solve. We can never work out a specific value that x or whatever variable we're trying to find can be. It can be a possible range, but we never have to work out and solve the specific value. Instead, we just follow exactly the same rules that we have done in solving algebra. So this equation here, 4 is less than 2x minus 10. I'm going to move the 10 to the other side of the inequality and doing exactly the same thing as I do with the equals. The minus 10 becomes positive. Simplifying that to 14 is less than 2x. Next, I divide the sides by 2 to cancel off that 2 next to the x, and it becomes 7 is less than x, and that's our answer. So we don't know what x's value is, but any number less than 7 could potentially be x. Here we've got 4 is greater than minus 8x minus 6, and we're going to see one of the little tricks that can catch us out with inequalities. So I move the 6 to the other side, just like I would do in solving. The minus 6 becomes positive, so we're left with 10 is greater than minus 8x. And then I'm going to divide by minus 8 to turn the minus 8x into x, and the 10 becomes minus 1.25. However, this answer would now be wrong, because what we need to do is to switch the direction of the inequality sign. Why? Well, because when you divide by a negative number in inequalities, make sure you turn the sign around. And there's our answer. Minus 1.25 is less than x.